This is Branden with Extreme Networks. We are rebuilding my home lab. We just added our controller and devices into Extreme Management. Now we're just setting up a new SSID. I just applied my eval license, and I'm going to start setting up my wireless network. So I'm applying this wireless network to all radios. That way, if any new APs get added, it'll automatically select those and broadcast those. So I want to set my pre-shared key. So I'll type it in here and hit save. And I'll just click leave original key. All right. And I'm going to enable Mac auth. And well, I haven't enforced this out yet, so we'll hang tight on that. And this all looks good. I'll go ahead and enable application visibility as well, so we can feed some application data to analytics, get some good information there. All right, so over here we'll go to control, and we will add some devices in here. So we'll start with our wireless controller. Select our primary engine. Secondary we don't have, we just have the one in this lab. We would select network access, management access, or any access, right? So management access if we wanted to use AD creds or some sort of credential database to log in network management access for the controller, or any access would be both. So we're going to do network access for now, and yeah, it's the wireless attributes for identify. We'll enable radius counting, and leave everything else at defaults. Cool. All right, got that in there. We'll go ahead and enforce the policy domain, which should have been done already, so we shouldn't have anything to worry about there. We'll add our switch as well. Same thing, and enable radius counting, and save. And yep. Okay. And then we'll do an enforce on the NAC appliance. And let's go ahead and do force reconfiguration for all switches. That'll push out our radius settings to the device.